Our Husky garage storage is tough and built to last, backed by a lifetime warranty. With black matte, powder-coated industrial-grade steel, Husky's heavy-duty welded steel garage cabinet set is designed to hold your heavy loads. This set comes fully assembled and ready to install, which means you can tackle this setup yourself. It has an easily adjustable workbench, in addition to plenty of workspace. The locker doors on this Husky set open 180 degrees for easy access, and the three-way lock ensures that your gear stays safe. The lockers include 2 adjustable shelves, an adjustable sliding drawer, and a bottom shelf that can be lifted to form a basket. Plus, the integrated kick plate means you won't lose tools or parts underneath. Husky's heavy-duty welded steel garage cabinet set is designed with innovative features like accessible cord access and integrated under cabinet lighting in the wall cabinets. Great for keeping your workspace lit and usable at all times. With a lifetime warranty, it's time to take control of your garage with smart and tough Husky storage solutions that are built to last. Common sense tools and storage since 1924.